Your art is not enough. You have to sell me with a story, with stories, with your personal why. That's where I'm sold. That's where I become an avid follower of your work or not. The story behind the art is sometimes even more important. You know, you have to understand why someone made something, and you as the artist have to make that clear. Your why is like a mirror, and you have to keep it clear so that people can see themselves in your work, in your story. For myself, I remember when I was a kid, like 6th or 7th grade, me and my neighbors, we'd make these like little iMovie lyric videos with these, you know, copyrighted songs, but we'd mess with all the little graphics and all the little transitions. And we spent months doing that and just messing with it. And it seems kind of a little dull looking back, but it was the most interesting thing in the world. And after that, I mean, that birthed the love of making movies and messing with iMovie. And I got put on pause in high school because I got insecure about it. I mean, I thought everyone would think making movies is nerdy. And it wasn't until college that I kind of reignited the passion for it. And I kind of got over myself and stopped feeling insecure about it and realized that I have cool stuff to share. I have a unique view of the world that's interesting. Now that's my story. Maybe you see yourself in it, maybe you don't. That's okay. I clarify the story, the origin story, or the origin stories, plural. I clarify those to ward off the people who don't resonate with me and to attract the people who do. Look, I'll make my mirror big and wide and shiny, but either you're going to see yourself in it or you're not. And so you have to do the same. You have to clarify who it's for. And you do that with your story. You don't have to do it directly. You don't have to say, oh, it's only for people who like these things. No, tell your story. Hide your meaning in the story and let people decipher the meaning on their own. And maybe they'll get it, maybe they won't. And if they do get it, they'll become avid followers of your work. And if they don't get it, who cares? You don't need them anyway. In order to find your niche, you do it by making your story, your personal story, clear, shiny. Wipe it off, wipe off the mirror. Don't leave anything murky, or else someone may kind of see themselves, but they won't be a real fan. So weed out the vampires, the people who can't see themselves in your mirror, and focus on the people who can. That's your audience. That's your tribe. That's your community. Those are the people who will buy in.